today's lesson, we're going to learn the name of the most important sports. So, let's start. First, we are going to watch the sports we practice with a ball. And they are baloncesto, basketball. The basketball player injured his knee. El jugador de baloncesto se lesionó la rodilla. Baseball. The baseball field is usually called the diamond. En béisbol, el campo de juego se llama comúnmente el diamante. Voleibol. Volleyball is her favorite sport. El voleibol es su deporte favorito. Tennis. My brother loves playing sports, but tennis is his favorite. A mi hermano le encanta practicar deportes, pero el tenis es su favorito. Football, soccer or football. He is a fan of the Manchester City soccer team. Es hincha del Manchester City. Now we're going to learn the name of other sports, and they are boxeo, boxing. There was a boxing ring. Había un cuadrilátero de boxeo. Ciclismo, cycling. Cycling is a very healthy form of exercise. El ciclismo es una forma muy saludable de ejercicio. Atletismo, athletics. They will be champions in athletics. Ellos serán campeones en atletismo. Natación, swimming. Swimming is my favorite sport at the Olympics. La natación es mi deporte favorito en los Olímpicos. Artes marciales, martial arts. That teacher spent years studying martial arts. Ese profesor pasó años estudiando artes marciales.